Hey, this is Sean Michael Lewis, and today I'm really excited to talk about something because I am so passionate about this. And basically, what I want to talk about today is LinkedIn. LinkedIn, it just doesn't get the sexy appeal that Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, all the other platforms over the years have gotten. However, it's one of the largest social networking platforms, especially if you're in business. And that's where I just really don't understand is why more of you aren't utilizing LinkedIn from a video standpoint, from a content standpoint. It is by far getting more reach for free than any other social network out there right now. I mean, just think about it. To get thousands of views on YouTube, on Facebook, on any of the different platforms, you have to pay a significant amount of money to get those reaches. And I don't say significant like television or something like that, but you really have to pay. LinkedIn, I can't tell you, since I started this project, I get more reach on LinkedIn and I don't spend a single penny. Most of my comments are coming from LinkedIn. I mean, these are other people that are in business just like you. There are people, A, you want to do business with, or B, people that do what you do or looking to network with you or opportunities to learn, etc. I mean, the stats on LinkedIn are unbelievable in terms of people actually being on there to learn something, to benefit from, educational insight that they can receive to help grow their business, get more clients, etc. There are some paid options and paid advertising with LinkedIn that I would definitely recommend checking out. I just haven't had to use it. I mean, we're on day 16 or 17 of the 100-day challenge, and we are getting so much traction from this. So I have to tell you, if you're not utilizing LinkedIn, if you're just consuming information on there, get involved. See what it can do for you. I can't tell you how many inquiries I've gotten in the last 2 weeks since this project has started about people just asking basic questions like how to do certain things on video, how to do certain things. And I will be doing an update. I know I did an original video on the camera quality, etc., mostly using the phone, but now I'm using the Sony a6300, which is a great option for shoot and go video, kind of similar to like what I'm doing right now. But anyway, just want to put this out there. LinkedIn. If you are not comfortable, if you just know how to sign in, get to know more about LinkedIn. Ever since Microsoft has acquired LinkedIn, it has blown up with engagement opportunities, especially business to business. So want to put that out there for you guys to think about today. Why are you not using LinkedIn? And here's the thing you have to also think about. LinkedIn is a little different than the other platforms. Like, you don't have to focus on your business or brand as much. It's more about you as a professional. So you really want to make sure you have a strong profile, you have a strong network, and that you're building all the different components to get the most out of it. So a lot to talk about LinkedIn. I probably will dissect it over the next 100 days at some point, going into what makes a good profile, what makes a good networking opportunity, etc. There's a lot of people that BS the system and really screw it up for everyone because they're just cheesy salespeople, etc. They're using it to try to make a quick buck. It doesn't work that way. You've got to be content driven, engaging driven, and it will work wonders for you. So think about that. Think about LinkedIn, what you can be doing to get better at it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks and have a great day.